Creating a supportive environment for children also means ensuring they have meaningful opportunities to learn and develop beyond the classroom. Every summer, many families are turning to creative education programs that combine play with hands-on learning, from life skills and physical training to language classes and science experiments. These activities offer children a more engaging break while giving parents more much-needed breaks during busy workdays.
At the start of this summer, this era has become busier than ever with the arrival of a special mobile science bus.
Wow! Inside of this small bus is a big world of creativity and imagination, like VR technology or robot assembling to 3D printing. There are many activities that children can experience themselves to make this summer cooler.
Fresh into her summer break, Mi discovered the science bus by chance while spending the evening at a local park.
Via VR classes, I could see the universe up close for the first time. It made science much more interesting and easier to understand.
This summer, we plan to drive the science bus across Hanoi, hoping to inspire more children and perhaps even spark the dreams of future scientists.
Combining physical activities with educational experiences, many summer activities and programs are attracting growing interest from parents.
Since my son is quite active, I thought a summer art class would help him slow down, stay focused, and learn to express his creativity.
Through the summer camp theme, Creating with Heritage, students enjoy drawing with the companionship of their teachers and friends, but also gain a deeper understanding of Vietnam's cultural heritage through the stories found within their own families.
This is a letter my grandfather used to send my grandmother whenever he was away, and this is a flower vase he gave her when they first met. Drawing these items helped me imagine what life was like back then, and it made me think of my grandparents with love and appreciation.
We hope to help children better appreciate their roots and Vietnam's cultural values. Many have said they wish the camp would last longer because it has become a memorable part of their summer.
Summer is no longer just a school break, but also a time for children to learn and grow through hands-on experiences. The rise of creative summer programs is giving children more opportunities to play, explore, and build valuable new skills for their overall development.